Afternoon once again. This is our 101st episode, and we're going live with all the different guests that are have been already on our the paradigm shift, and we're having them talk about all the changes that they have made in the past few months. Okay, now Anushka is here. I will just add her. Hi Anushka, how are you?
Hi Dipshika, how are you?
Good afternoon. Uh, for everybody that has not seen our episode, Anushka Vanwari is a special educator and she is the co-founder of Pranushi Foundation and Artistic Holding Hands. And
Yes.
she's here with us today to tell us what all she has been doing since we last spoke. How are you, Anushka?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you for having me again and taking an update on what we are doing. Uh,
Oh, how sweet.
so yes,
So,
yeah.
Anushka, so would you, like since there has been a lot of months since we last spoke, has there been any incident or a story or something that has changed you completely or has brought a change in your paradigm shift or something like that that you would like to share with us?
Okay, so like when we had just started online when we spoke to you last time because of the pandemic, so we've
Right,
really seen our children accept this online platform so well. They've been
wow,
doing so well. They've been teaching us a lot of things. We've learned so much from them. And we've become technologically more updated with them, and they're still teaching us. And now it's very easy for them to shift from offline to online, depending. Sometimes we are still having challenges because of the waves that came in. So they've
right,
really become adjusting and they're okay with whatever we are doing as long as we are there with them. So
so
that's a
beautiful.
great thing. And we are now almost completely offline. So that's really a great improvement for us. Our children are coming to the center now. So that's
Wow,
really good. We had an awesome Diwali sale. So we are really thankful to all our well wishers and supporters. So like last year we didn't do anything, and this year we had no time at all. So it was really great. We ended up selling all our stock. So it was really encouraging for us. So that's really been great. Okay, so we had this
beautiful.
one student who joined us because we were online. They stay in Thana. So because of the
Okay.
pandemic, the student, like he's a 45-year-old male actually, who like
Oh,
his, so he was doing a job and everything stopped. So he was at home. So his sister approached us that can he join your online. So we said, okay, let him come across. Let's see what we can do. So even like we were a little, because online was new and he was really like an adult like us. But it's been such a good journey with him and he's really, adjusted and adapted to us. So basically they wanted somebody who could speak to him, converse with him because he was alone at home with his parents and there was nothing
right,
much he could do. So we've
right.
done, and during this, like one of my co-founders, she's an art teacher, and she runs online art classes. She started once a week for our students. So we
Right.
told him to join. So first they were like not very sure, like drawing, coloring, like he's never been
Yeah.
interested. But we said,
Right.
okay, let's give it a try. And now in this 1 year, the change that has brought, like you can't believe the same person, his hand has become so neat. He's doing the work so well. And just last week, his sister updated that when he's doing anything related to this activity, he's so engrossed and focused, he forgets everything around him. So he like
Wow.
really developed a new skill, a new avenue which really calms him down. So that's
Right.
been a really, really great achievement for us to open up, a new avenue for him. So that's going to stay with him always. He's going to continue for that. And hopefully he wants to join us offline, but he's staying very far in Thana. So let's see if
Right.
something comes out of it because he can travel. So let's see,
Right.
maybe next year it may happen. So that's
So
one big
beautiful.
achievement for us, this year with
Right.
one student, and it's a big change.
Absolutely. So this is probably, it'll probably open up, like you said, a new avenue maybe for him, but this could open up a new avenue for you where you guys could also concentrate on adults that have been
Yes.
were kind of ignored in the childhood because there was no awareness, with the
Yes.
parents. with special needs. So I'm sure this you guys are going to be doing way more. And we have heard that Pranushi is getting bigger.
Yes,
So tell us
yes.
about that.
Yeah, so Artistic Hands and Pranushi right now is running from the same place in Santa
Right.
Cruz, but now we've got a bigger space for Pranushi in Bandra East. So now the timings have increased there, the space is bigger. We have a physiotherapist and somebody doing sensory integration who has already joined with us, and we are still looking out for an occupational therapist, for a speech therapist, so we can offer all therapies and the remediation in the same place. Also, we are looking in for doing computer training and training in technology for the visually impaired, because me and my partners, we are actually from the background of visual impairment. So we are
Okay.
now, we have the space, so we want to get on board for that. So we are looking out for funding for for everything, because we've just got the place yet, though we are starting
Right.
Monday. But yeah, slowly we'll be adding on everything. We are looking in for
Amazing.
donations for our students, and though we have a fee structure, but yeah, we look into all kinds of socio-economic backgrounds. So if you have any kind of financial restraints, you can still approach us, and we'll see that we can do something for you. So please call us
Right.
and don't hesitate. At least talk to us, so we can find a
Right.
way.
Right. So
So
there's a question. Roya said, "Where are you guys located?" So they're right now in Bandra East. What we'll do, Anushka, once the video
yeah,
is uploaded, we could probably put your address. Also, to
yes,
tell our viewers that Pranushi Foundation and Artistic, we have put all their details, all their banking details, their addresses on the Paradigm Shift work website. And if
yes,
you guys like to donate it any way that you like, in terms of, like they said, they want to open a technology center. So in terms of
yeah,
donations for that, or computers or teachers, please approach
yes. Any
Anushka,
volunteers also, always,
volunteering.
whatever. So just give
Absolutely.
us a
So
call, and I'm sure we can, work out something.
how sweet is that? God bless you. I think you guys are doing an amazing job. All the very best, and
Thank you
we
so
hope you
much.
very soon. Thank you
Yes.
so much,
And we've
Anushka.
been
Bye
seeing
bye.
your, whatever you've been doing for this whole year. It's commendable as where you started and where you reached. So thank you so much
Wow.
for having me here. And I'm sure maybe next time I can get my partners to join here too.
Absolutely, that will be
Yeah.
amazing. That will be
Yeah.
amazing. Thank you so much for the
Thank
kind
you,
words.
Dipshika. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye. Bye.